Oh, you didn't know? You mean they forgot to tell you? In the mind of a cop, you exercising your rights is you being uncooperative.
A man exercising his rights is being uncooperative?
Yes, you are being uncooperative.
How is that? So what are you, trespassing my eyeballs? Man, are you guys educated or not?
You want to cooperate with the police, don't you? If you're not cooperating, you must be doing something wrong. You must have something to hide. Before we get started with this video from CTI, Central Tyrant Investigations, one of the most precious rights that you have is the right to remain anonymous, to not give up your ID, to remain secure in your person. And if anybody is asking you to give up that right, they are not your friends. So minus you having committed a crime, you are not obligated to give anyone your ID. So feel free to be as uncooperative along those lines as you want. Let's take a look at this video and make some comments along the way.
Here's Heather.
Do you need somebody to trespass somebody from a property because he just videoed inside of my bank?
Yeah, that's an issue. Okay, all right. She would like him trespassed. Yeah.
I've never been on their property.
Well, we're going to confirm that.
You've already confirmed it. Yeah, you're blocking my way.
The manager would like you trespassed.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. No, I don't.
No, we do.
No, I don't.
We do.
Legally, I don't. Man.
In order to trespass you, we need your name.
You tell me that I can't go on the property and that's the end of it.
No.
That's how it works.
We need to be able to document it because then we would never know.
You're documenting by saying this gentleman
we don't know.
was never on their property.
That's not how that works.
It is how it works, man.
This is the chief of police.
Why are you being so...
You're the chief?
Why are you being so...
What's your name? A man exercising his rights is being uncooperative?
Yes, you are being uncooperative.
How is that?
You're creating
Say the word disturbance, I dare you. I already know how it goes, guys. You don't know what I used to do. You don't know what I currently do.
Okay, so then why are you doing this?
Because I can't. I have a right to.
Okay, because you're trying to...
So I was standing on the corner on my cell phone. I looked and turned towards the window, not doing anything. So anybody who looks towards a bank window is suspicious?
Yes, it is.
With the mask on during business hours?
It's cold outside. I have my mask on all day.
She said you were videotaping inside the bank and she would
Just
like you
now.
trespass.
Just now, yeah.
Okay.
So what are you, trespassing my eyeballs?
She would like you trespass from the bank.
Are you trespassing my eyeballs?
Trespassing from the property.
I was never on their property. So how are you going to do that?
Okay.
I mean, this is their property.
So this is a public easement. Public right of way. Yeah. Public.
In reality, these cops are trying to convert the exercise of a constitutionally protected right, which they swore to protect, defend, and uphold, into a crime. Which means these cops, including this police chief right here, are the only ones on the scene trying to commit a crime. And they're doing it with the implied threat of force and violence.
Right, so here's my thing.
Man, are you guys educated or not?
You're trying to create problems.
Oh, we already created it. Yeah, we already created the problem.
No, you did this.
No, you guys did it because I was just standing there. I didn't even have my camera out or anything. I was just on my phone. And then I saw this. I was starting walking. I saw this gentleman turn his lights on, and then he was trying to call me over for some reason. So,
Okay.
yeah.
I told you why. I observed you looking in the window of the bank.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Now the bank manager
I can
came
look
out and said
inside
she saw you
anything.
videotaping inside of the bank. She would not like you on the property.
Cool. I wasn't on the
Not like
property.
you videotaping the bank. Therefore, we need your identification so we can trespass you from the property. You are not receiving any citations today. We simply need your name.
But you don't need my information.
We do.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't. Legally, you don't. I have a right over Fourth Amendment. You know what the Fourth Amendment is?
Very well aware.
To be securing your person, papers, and effects.
Correct.
Yeah, I don't have to give you any information, especially if I haven't been on their property. You want to go down this road? We can go down this road, man.
Well, I understand.
Yeah,
man,
yeah. I'm gonna have fun with you guys. So,
Sure you are.
yeah.
This interaction right here tells me that these cops are used to getting their way and intimidating ignorant people who are willing to just give up their rights because they asked. Because they do come with the implied threat of force, and people get a little nervous about that. And we become fearful. Critical thinking takes a back seat. Maybe they don't know their rights in the first place. People are scared. They give their ID thinking they're going to get themselves out of trouble, and they actually just stepped into a whole mess of trouble because when they enter your name in a database, it never works out well for you. Stop relinquishing your ID.
So right now you're actually interfering right now with my duties that I have.
We understand.
No, we have a very, we have very much of a right to check out to see.
No, you don't.
Yes.
If I haven't committed a crime, you don't. Do you suspect me of committing a crime? That's the most important part. Well, you can't go off what we don't know.
That was the reason.
Yeah,
we have reasonable suspicion.
You have reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime.
We don't know if you've committed a crime, but we know that we have the right to make you insecure in your person. What nonsense.
Man, I know the law, dude. I'm very well versed in this.
Yeah, you're very well versed in trying to create problems.
Oh, we already created it, man. So what now?
You've done that.
No, how, man?
What?
By standing,
alarming these people in the
turning and looking at somebody. I was reading the balloon inside of her window, first off. If you want to go, we can go look at it.
We're not going to go look at it.
Okay, so you can't just come up to somebody because they're looking at somebody's window. And you're the chief? What's your name, man?
It's Alan Clifford.
Okay. Yeah, you guys might want to read up on some case law.
You might want to.
Oh, I know him.
No, you don't even let me finish, so I ain't done.
I don't have to, man. You work for the people. And you guys are trying to stand here. I'm not being detained.
How do you trespass from property?
We're just trying to get your information, man.
Yeah, you're not
and
getting my
trespass you.
information. Yeah, I haven't been on their property, so. I know the laws, man. I don't have to give you anything.
Look, if you're not up to anything, we're not here to be assholes.
You already
But you
been.
see somebody looking in the bank during the business
I'm going to
hours
go look at the
with a
bank
mask
again.
on.
There's nothing you can do about it.
So you've been trespassed. If you go back and you look in the bank window again,
I'm not on their
that
property.
will be an issue.
I'm not on their property. What are you going to trespass my eyeballs? You want to come down there with me while I do it again? Oh, okay. So there's no issue. You guys might as well get back in your cars and drive away.
She's saying he was inside and all. Filming. Do you verify that?
Regarding volunteer Nicholas and the ambulance have out of Volvo.
What's your badge number?
The one that I need for the start.
I don't need your I got it all right here. That's all that matters. I don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah. You can save it for somebody
49.
else, man. You still have failed to state what the problem is. Looking inside of the business is not, nothing.
I would say it's
nothing.
reasonable suspicion.
It's not.
I do. I would absolutely.
Looking inside of, I could come to your house and look inside your house from the sidewalk all day long. There's nothing you can do.
We certainly
about it.
have a problem then.
No, we won't.
Have you noticed how cops conveniently leave the rest of that out? He said, I think it's reasonable suspicion. Of what? You have to have reasonable suspicion that a crime has been committed. If a man is exercising his rights, you can't convert the exercise of those rights into a crime. Not while at the same time maintaining any semblance of integrity.
So if I'm standing on the public sidewalk looking at your house, filming your house, there's going to be a problem.
Between you and I personally, yes.
No, it wouldn't be personal. I don't know what that means. But, yeah, guys, as you guys can see right there, trying to get my information without me being on their property. If I was on their property,
We know why you're here today, man. We understand.
say it. Why do you understand that?
Do you
How
have
do
a
you
YouTube
understand?
channel? You know how this works.
How does it work?
You videotape us, put it on YouTube, you blast us.
Yep, and then people, what? They regress you guys and they contact you guys and tell you how you did. I'm just a guy with the camera, man. You guys create the content, you can either do good or you can violate somebody's rights. Either way, I'll post you, man. If you guys are great, I'll post you and let you know how great of a job you did. If not, you know, it's on you guys.
Hey, can you see that? See if it's run over when it's
Run over by here.
When there's cars coming.
I know how to move, man.
I'm just asking.
Same thing for you.
Yeah.
You mind getting out of the bay? I
I
don't
said
want you
we,
to get hit.
all of us.
Oh, okay. No, I'm good right here. Absolutely.
One of them had a street.
outside,
Yeah, was reporting her through the window.
which isn't illegal. I mean, we can't do anything about that.
It was pointing at her.
Yeah. Oh, Kevin. Yeah, I mean, legally, there's nothing we can do. We can't ID him. We can't trespass until he actually comes onto the property. Can't ID him.
He's trying to bait us into.
Oh, yeah.
hands-on.
He wants to get paid.
Yeah.
That's what he wants to do.
Yeah.
So,
Did you hear that from the police chief? He wants to bait us.
He's trying to bait us into.
oh, yeah.
Let me ask you a question, Chief. How can you bait a cop into violating your rights by exercising your rights? These cops knew the entire time that this was illegal to try to get his ID when he had committed no crime, and yet they continued to try to violate his rights anyway, through the fear factor of intimidation. Once again, a stream can rise no higher than its source. A police chief is the source for everybody else in the police department, and that stream, at least in this police department, is flowing down under through the sewer. That's Central Tyrant Investigations. He did a fantastic job. I'll leave his links in the description and in the pinned comment. If you visit him, let him know Here's the Deal sent you. If you like these commentary videos and you want to support the channel, just like this video, share this video, comment under this video. It really helps. And I love to hear from you. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, become a channel member, and I will see you in the next one.